Every
Ano?
time you calling me, you every crawl,
Ano pa?
like a tiger.
Mhm.
Simple situation,
Mhm.
you get angry.
Mhm.
So small quarreling, big quarreling.
Alam mo, ma.
Ano sa inyo?
Ngayon na ako magsasabi.
Speak English.
I only, for how many years that we've been together, I will tell you now about the truth. The truth that even I didn't feel you how much I appreciate you, how much love I feel for you. All I want you to be known is I don't want you to be gone. That's all I want you to use your mind to to mark that even I didn't make you feel appreciated, I am afraid to lose you. That's all. Thank you. Oh. Ay, yeah.
You're such a wrong grammar.
Wrong
So-
ano.
Sana naman magbago ka naman. Huwag ko laging pagalitin.
Di ba na nagagalit?
Yung sa,
Ang boses ko di volume. Pag hindi narinig ng
Alam.
isang ng level 1, level 2 ko.
alam mo kung bakit?
Ha?
Alam mo kung bakit? Nabibigil ko na hindi na ako importante kasi
Ah.
hindi mo na ako mahal.
Mm.
Kasi hindi mo na ako tinatawag mahal. Jemar. Jemar.
Siyempre, nasa trabaho tayo.
Hindi, kahit wala tayo sa trabaho nandito ang before ko.
Ganun ba?
Yes.
Oh, mahal.
Hindi na kailangan. Sayang na ako. Na kailangan.
You know
Alam ko
what?
naman may pagbabago at least.
You know what?
Ginawa ko yung bilang papel na as your husband.
Wait. You know what?
Ako muna.
I want you to know that love is not all about what or how your partner call you. Hey! Hey!
Alam mo, ang wish ko lang lagi, yung ganito tayo, sweet, banding, kulitan, wala nang, pero opposite pa lang na nararanasan mo. Puro
ano?
puro sigaw,
Puro?
cambras,
Puro?
palo, iba
Hindi.
talaga, basta, siyempre, your husband, very, mabait,
English.
good,
Kind.
so kind, and blessing.